So this is going to be a quick walkthrough of my project Fast and Fresh API, formerly known as Nature's Delicacies API. So I'm first going to run through the Postman collection. So it is a well organized collection. First of all, you'll see in the top hierarchy the Fast and Fresh API is there. Then there are three different sections in the API. So first one is the admin section, the second one is the user section, and the third one is for the delivery boy. So these are the APIs which have been segregated with respect to the roles. In total there are 34 APIs, so it will be difficult for me to test every one of them in this, so I'll just be showcasing some of them. So let's get started with the admin sign in. So this is a simple API, but just for showcasing I'll be running this. So an admin by these credentials already exists, and currently I'm using the production environment. So you can just look at the environment. This is the API endpoint. So I am hitting the production servers. So as you can see, the admin has successfully signed in, and the ID, name, email has been sent again, and the token that will be used for authentication. Now there are different API endpoints over here. So the admin can also create products, create categories, also assign delivery boys, and also update all of those fields. So there are APIs for all of that. Then in the user can update the particular profile, then get all the products, categories, and these are just the APIs relevant to the user with respect to the app. Also the user can submit a feedback, so hence there is a post request for that. I'll again, just to demonstrate that this API works, just hit the sign in. So as the user exists by these credentials, I'm just hitting that API, and you can see the user has many different orders and all the fields that have been filled in, and the token for authentication. Then same for delivery boy. So there's just not one right of deleting the profile, as they are created by the admin. Rest all is the same. So you can see there's an array for pending orders. This refers to the order ID, and this can be traced back. There's one more to check the feedbacks. So an admin can get all of the feedbacks. So if I hit this route, I'll end up getting all the feedbacks. Currently I'm not getting the authentication as I'm not signed in, so I'll just sign in as an admin again, because I was signed in as a delivery boy. Get all the feedbacks, and I get all the feedbacks that are there. So this is the user ID, the user which made the feedback, the feedback for the delivery boy, and the timestamp, and the message, and the rating. So this was a quick overview of the API. So there are 34 endpoints in this API, and they are segregated with respect to roles. Now let's look at the cluster. So I have hosted this thing on MongoDB Atlas, and you can see all of these different documents are there. And if you want to access this Postman collection, you can go to the backend repository, and there is the Postman collection that is added. So you can also get the same collection and import it into your Postman. So that was a quick overview of Fast and Fresh backend API. This API is currently being used in an app. So you can also check that app out. So it's in another repository, and there's a download link to the app in the repository. So you can definitely check it out. Thank you.